Hey, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing great. What I just wanted to share with us is that we should always appreciate where we are, irrespective and regardless of what we are undergoing in life. Because social media has come and has really affected us adversely in the sense that we want to copy everything we see on social media. Most of the so-called couples on social media, you see how they are enjoying life. It's never that way. These are just things which are being faked. And to one extent or another, we've always been culprits in the sense that we try to fake it and fake it and fake it. Just live your life. Live your life peacefully and always be contented with what you have and what you don't have. Always be contented. But if you want to compare your life with these so-called social media couples and marriages, my friend, you'll always be stressed. There is no day you'll always be happy because you are always on comparison. You want to compare yourself with other people. But if you decide to agree, if you decide to be contented with what you have, then life will be so sweet and will be so smooth on your side. So I know all of us, to some extent, we are trying to fake it, but which is not a good thing. So let us all try to live our lives. Everyone has their own life. Just like the same as our thumbprints are different. Even if you have twins, their thumbprints are usually different. Why? Because everyone is uniquely made by God and wonderfully made by God. So we can never be the same. Irrespective of what, we can never be the same. For instance, even if you have 10 million, another one has 10 million, you will never be the same because you think differently. So just be contented with what you have and always appreciate where you are. Be appreciative. Be appreciative always. Whether you're passing through which challenges, always be appreciative. Thank God for each and every day, for each and every life you are living at the moment, because that is the most precious thing. Otherwise, thank you guys and enjoy your day.